Hey guys, my name is Reno with Armour Coating and Mid-Tenn Designs. Today I'm going to go over some of the accessories. This is one of our 30 by 60 rotary tables. If you will, check in the description below for the link for that video that discusses this. But today I'm going to go over some of the accessories that we have. So right here is a floating seat, TIG Torch Holder, and a grinder holder. There will be more accessories as we build them. We'll do videos on those, but right now this is one of our first production tables. So I just wanted to show you, like, the grinder holder can be adjusted and moved to wherever you are comfortable welding on the table. You can even put it into the middle of the table, put your torch up there if you wanted it a little bit handier. Same way with these, the grinder holders are adjustable to fit anywhere on the table you would like. However you want to do it, it's up to you. And that's the beauty about these. Everything is kind of modular. This seat is fully movable. You can move it to all corners if you're welding flat. Really sturdy, stable. I weigh about 195 pounds. No problem, no shaking, table's solid. So these are some of the accessories that we have right now. There are others, light bar, TIG filler wire holders, just a whole list. We'll be making those as soon as they come out, but thank you guys for watching. And remember, this is all designed by Hammer Concepts and Designs and manufactured and distributed by Armour Coating and Mid-Tenn. Thanks, y'all, have a great day.